Hello everyone. Yesterday we created a video to show you how you can calculate the age of a person based on a birth date. And today we're just going to continue to work over the same fields, but now we're gonna show you how you can make validations about the data that you enter into the database. So for example, if we know that the birth date it's greater than today's date, that should be a mistake. A birth date should be held in the past. So let me show you how to do that. You go to edit the application. You are going to validate all the records on add, on validate, so it's before success. You want to validate some information, and the criteria here is very simple. We already have an if condition in place to use. So if we select the input field birth date, and let's do it just for the year. So instead of using the whole date, I just want to make sure that the year is actually in the past. So if I go to the built-in functions and I go get the year, so this is going to give me the year of the birth date, and then I want to make sure that this date is not greater or bigger than, if I look into Zoho variables, I can select the current date, but I also need to add the get year criteria there. So now I have the condition here. The birth date year cannot be bigger than the current year, otherwise that would be a mistake. So if this condition is true, then obviously we need to send a message. All texts have to be under quotations, for the system to read them. So you can just put here, please correct your birth date, and then cancel the submit. So if we click save, we can now test our script. So if I go back to the form and then try to, let's see, if I put a birth date on this year and then I try to submit, okay, it didn't work. Let's see what happened. Where is, okay, so I guess the condition is wrong because the year was the same as the current year. So actually the condition has to be if it's greater or equal than this year, then cancel the submission. So there you go. This should work now. If we test the condition here, so if I select this birth year 2015, it's going to be equal than these years, so it shouldn't let me process the record. And this is how you can validate information on pretty much any field with any condition that you can think of necessary for your workflow and business processes. Let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.